hoi 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 hoi
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela Kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela Kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela
National Vice President ke NPP ba Presiden Tensong ubadai ru simbol Menteri Ramba ke Sarkar Jela ulakran jikila patai kubual mentah kesini halor kimat bayade bekam parti kaba along ha upes rekam kaseng ubat Tensong long bahadian baladap kot kani kejingji ekonomi kemace yang dorbar tawan unong ilam kaliang persau Dr. Mukul Sangma lada ujab ni uram dakabati kena unmino nak kaseng TMC bandrung syaka BJP ang ubat Presiden Tensong
BJP kan le kunjuk pat iki MLA ki pasal cie.
Kan ni kalau ngomni. Pi sisin deng ta mengopi ngam tip su bai ba dangko kaya kena kolumti. Ngam tip de karai kena na karai rang ba ngam tip. Nei ke jing sai ka long ba haba pilarai. Ia kan no ngatrai plak kenji kelun no sedong. Te ban mi hai minute ba kadu kabamot. Ki paj ba jokrani kor kersi kin long suspicious. Kan luan kata ke jiksko. Balai haka last minute pimi. Haba broach kata piero ikan pipi. Balai immediately pimi. Kamu there is something wrong. Ta ya kata ngangan nu jubab. Tenaga jubab kolong bangangit sken. Kipat ba jongkarani kor. Kin bu jingkeli. Don ka ere ka e. Yo ka ere ka e. Kejing yo imat ka bakum nur. Te ya kata ngim lakan matai. Nada ngong pi. Lada pikren juga jing sisa. Kan mau la syai enda la ya job. In la syai elect. Uno candidate adalah job yang election. Ya kami ngangit scam. Ba kin long ki beriu ke scam halaka jong dongrim, halaka jong ke parti, bat halaka jong ke jingit. Ngamngit bagi dia long kena ban syuadi ban syuadhit ban ya jom nak diang sakamon syakadia. I think as far as Pak Danku is concerned, we went even the party management, we were shocked, we were surprised the way he just hurriedly joined the BJP. But we can't help it, we can't say anything on that. It is up to him ultimately to decide. And then we will also now, maybe this evening, we will take a call on this, whether we will again set up a candidate or not. But we'll have a meeting, CM and myself and Lars Nova will set down tonight. Then accordingly we'll take an appropriate decision on this particular issue. I was shocked because the state leadership I saw, few of them, they threatened that they are going to leave the MDA government led by NPP, and then so many allegations made by them, and then even me also, I have already indicated very, very clearly. I said, if you feel that you should leave, why not you leave? But it is too late to leave. And you see 4.5 years, no allegation made at all. But why only 4 months, 3 months before the election, you made such a baseless allegation? So ultimately, I'm not surprised. In one hand, they say this NPP-led government is very bad. In the other hand, they said we supported NPP-led government. So let the people judge. Because see, that allegation, I think, does not stand at all. I think our voters are measured now to reply them back accordingly. And that we will see on the 2nd March 2023. So let us see. Please be patient at least for another 4-5 hours. Then we'll come back to you.
But what do you have to say? The BJP is poaching on the NPP candidates.
No, this is politics. I can't say anything. We should not also say anything. Because see, I think the moment you decided to join any party, I think you need to also have some kind of research on your own. Then only you join the party. Because Badango, I think the first time he left Congress, he joined us. Then again, the second time, he went back to Congress. Then again, he came back to NPP. And now, last minute, he left NPP again. He joined BJP. So I can't say anything on his behalf. I think you better ask from him. What was the situation which made him to join the BJP in the last minute? Very, very clearly, I've already told you, we want to cross 34, 35 seats.
Jadi kalau kita menang halau kejeng kena pada Dr. Mukul NPP ketika tinggi kan lagi.
Kalau ngeladon pak ke Priplan, baru diujob lai seat, asal seat join BJP. Ngarang atip ya kata. Ngarang atip tip kenapa? Pada kata kata public meeting ke Bengilong wadah po ang teh po Karu Hills. Usia melahin ya kata. Dengan repeat semangat mentah. Bakalong ke jing sisa, kadon ke kenja, jing ya penbet jongki ke bangam tip. Hakno kelanti tambah imat na TMC ru Dr. Mukulun Mino ula ban lecha po ka BJP sania ya kejinglam Dr. Mukul nomor une ya arteli ka tijat ka wisilyang ka ba komong opi anytime ula ban jom shanu pimtip nomor utip syai ke dar ba ur wiladi unum yo bun kasit ula ban yo kai tang saw santeli kasit te hangnu unsden hangnu lek Teka don kejing ya penbet kejing ya keren joki kujaga. Tina ka daw ngopi ka allocation ka ba nakaliang jong mukulu ong baka timbi ka NPP ka de timbi jong BJP ka de babakla lengang ong ka tim jong Dr. Mukul sama ngam ong su TMC namarun sa join baki ngasyo ka tim jong Dr. Mukul sama hadir blade election ngopi ula ban join sya ka dono bajaka. Den reng ngopi kata ka jikam joki namar pi ibriu Kibahe tangkania kabakut kelomba ukiang ubom don di kawang mawe ka habalut khat ka harlalut khat pro oi semua le kan mau ukiu ubadap ka kim jukren